This is Josh from Josh Rose Copywriter, and I'm here to show you how to easily add comments and suggestions to your Google Docs documents. If you're familiar with Microsoft Word, this is basically the same as using track changes and comments. Only I find it a little bit easier in Google Docs. So how do we do it? Let's have a look. All right, so this is just a bit of copy that I've taken from my homepage, just to show you as an example. Now, the first thing we want to do is, you see at the moment here, we're in editing mode. So if I type, it's just like normal. So what you want to do is change it to suggesting. Now, if I make suggestions, it'll, or do typing, it'll come up as a suggestion for another user. So let's say, okay, copy that turns browsers into buyers. Maybe you want to add a bit more. So let's say fast. Now we have a suggestion. Similarly, if I want to suggest, like say, don't like a word and want to suggest taking it out, just simply backspace and then it will come up as a suggestion. So now what I'm suggesting that we want to change this to is, do you want easy to read website copy that turns browsers into buyers fast? Yeah, and then what else? If we want to say something about it, or about anything, so maybe you don't like a word, don't like the word browsers for some reason, you just highlight, then click add comment, say whatever you want to say. I don't like this word, please change. No, you can do the same thing as well with these suggestions. Click on it, say, I think this is better. What do you think? So this way, the person who you're sending this back to, they'll have the list of your changes, recommendations, what you think, and then they can look at those and decide if they want to accept them or reject them. So yeah, pretty straightforward, pretty easy. And just one more thing I'd like to show you. If you have a big document and there's lots of areas, and yeah, you may want to skip down to, someone may have said, can you please check out what I've written in this section? If you're using headlines, like here we have heading 1, or even if the text gets above, I think it's about 14 or 18, what it will actually do is create like a navigation list. So if we click on here, then we can see here, do you want easy to read? So that's this here. But see, we have here the next page. So let's click on that. And it will jump down here. I've just made a bit of text here, the next page, and I've made it a title. It could also be a heading. And again, it will pop up. But if it is, say, normal text, it disappears. So yeah, that's a nice easy way to scroll through a document if you have lots of headings and you want to find a particular place. Yeah, so that's basically how to use Google Docs to create comments, suggestions when you're editing for someone else and giving back feedback. All right, thanks. Bye.